Okay, so let's make a daiquiri. So first thing you're going to need is glassware. So for that we have a coupe glass here with some ice chilling. So we're going to put that to the side. Now we're going to need our tools. Now for that we're going to need a shaker because this is a shaken cocktail. Now we're going to want to add our ingredients. And for that we're going to be wanting a white rum. And for that we have some Bacardi here. And I like to go 60ml, which is kind of the standard for this. And then I like to go 30, which is also standard of the old lime juice. And then finally, simple syrup. So for this, when I first used to do it, I used to go for a 30, but now I like to go for a 15. When I was up being taught, my teacher, he does a 10. So it depends on how sweet you like yours. I like mine a little bit sweet. So there we go. That's the ingredients added. Now we're going to add some ice. And where's my bits? There we go. Right. There we go. Perfect. Right. So let's add the ice and shake. And there we have it. So now we're going to discard the ice. Put the ice there. And now we're going to pour. And for this we are going to double strain just to make sure we've got no ice crystals going in. Straight away I can see some ice crystals, so that's a good thing. Alright. And there we have it, the daiquiri. Now finally we'll just garnish. And for that, a little lime oil. And there we have it, the daiquiri.